Hey guys, welcome to our very first review vlog. So today we're gonna be reviewing this Maximus dishwasher. So we bought this dishwasher online in Lazada from the Maximus store. We bought it for 20,999, but right now it's 19,999. We picked this seller because they have a very high positive seller rating at 98% and 100% ships on time, and they're also LASMOD. Just to give you a little background on their product, so I did a little research before I bought this, and based on the reviews out of the legit sellers and brands, this is the most affordable and it has a high rating, so we went with Maximus. So if you go to their page, by the way, I'm not in any way affiliated with them, and this is not a sponsored post. I just want to give you a quick background of how I came about with my decision to buy from them. So I visited their page and I can see that they have a lot, or their main products include dishwashers, and they have both or countertop dishwashers as well as freestanding ones. So their price range is around 15,000 up to around 39,000, 40,000. So I think they have pretty decent and affordable products. And going back to the product that we bought, here's the description. So it comes with a free dishwasher salt, which is 3 kilograms. And then there's also one pack of the dishwasher pods. So here's the description. The capacity is 6 sets, so 6 plates, 6 soup plates, etc. And then there are also 6 programs. I'm gonna show you later the differences of those 6 programs. And then it shows here the energy and water consumption, but later I'll show you as well. There's a difference depending on the program that you'll use. And it comes also with a hose, and you can see here the product dimension. So it's 55 centimeters wide by 50 centimeters deep and 43.8 centimeters high. And what I liked about this is it has a plug and play installation and quick connect fitting. So I'll show you later what that is. It also has a built-in water heater and water softener, and it has a dry cycle. You can also set it to have a delay start of up to 24 hours. As you can see here, they have 24 5-star ratings and 1 4-star rating. So no 3 2s and 1s. So that's good for me. And I also read the reviews. They were verified purchases. So after checking other suppliers as well, we decided to go with Maximus. And then, yeah, just going back to the store, just to show you the products that you're gonna need or you're gonna use along with the dishwasher. So this is the Maximus detergent tablet, where they also provided one free box of this, so 30 pieces each. Usually if your cycle is not full, not 6 sets, you can, yeah, cut the one piece into two and use it for 2 loads. And then You have the dishwasher salt. So the dishwasher salt is used to soften the water if you have a hard water. So depending on your water supply. So it's designated to remove minerals and salts from your water because it has a negative effect on the dishwasher. And then you also have the rinse aid. So the rinse aid is used or released during the final rinse to prevent water from forming droplets on your dishes, which can leave spots and streaks. So it also improves the drying of your dishes by allowing water to roll off the dishes. So what I also loved about Maximus is the fact that they have a very good customer service. So they sent me a message asking me how my faucet looks like so that they will know what kind of um, fitting or thread they're gonna send. But unfortunately, I couldn't take it out to see what thread I had. So they actually offered to assist me and said that they're gonna send a technician for site inspection. So the following day, they already sent the product in the morning, and then in the afternoon, the technician arrived to install the dishwasher. He single-handedly lifted it up to the countertop and yeah, set it up. He also explained how the dishwasher works and did a demo. So yeah, very happy with their service. So here you can see me loading the dishes into the basket. So what I usually do is do a first rinse on uh, the faucet, so to take away the debris so that I won't have to clean the filter of the dishwasher often. And now you see me putting the dishwasher pod, and I just opened where you put the rinse aid, and there's still some rinse aid there, so I just closed it. So for the basket, this just shows you the recommended loading or where you place which kind of dish, which kind of plate. So you have your cups here at the top, and then there are glasses at the bottom. You have your big plates at the back, and then the smaller ones, and the saucers. You have a serving plate in the middle. You have more plates here at the sides and more saucers here, and then at the middle up front you have your cutlery basket. So it's also indicated here at the bottom. And then for the control panel, so this shows you where the different controls are. So you have your power button over here. You have your delay button over here if you want to uh, start the cycle at a later time. You have P for program in choosing which program you want to use, and you have the play and pause button. And there's also a warning indicator for the rinse aid if it's too low and needs refilling. And then there's also a warning indicator for the salt, which will light up if it's low in salt. And then these are the different program indicators. So you have intensive, which is for heaviest soiled dishes or crockery, pots, pans, and those with dried on food. You have normal, you have eco, which is a standard program and normally cleans tableware, and it is considered the most efficient. You have glass for lightly soiled crockery and glass. You have 90 minutes, which is also just a normal wash. And then you have rapid, which is the shortest, and it does not dry your dishes. So, lastly, you have the screen, which shows you the remaining time and the delay time, or if there are any error codes. So, just to give you a better picture of the differences in the programs, here's the wash cycle table. So, here you will see the different cycles per program. So, for example, for intensive, there's a pre-wash and it's also indicated there on what temperature. There's a wash cycle at 70 degrees Celsius. There's a rinse, another rinse, a third rinse at 70 degrees, and then drying, and then so on. So you can also see here the amount of detergent needed, the runtime, the amount of energy that's consumed, the amount of water necessary, and then if it's gonna use rinse aid or not. So for me, typically I use either rapid or eco since those two are the most efficient one. So least amount of water and least amount of energy needed. So I use rapid if my dishes are somewhat or still clean or just a few seconds, I mean just a few minutes from being used. And then I usually use Echo if they've been on the sink for a while. And then lastly, I want to discuss our electricity consumption. Although I understand there's a lot of factors that can contribute to the electricity, but well, we haven't changed lifestyle. We usually use air conditioning, same things. We haven't bought any other appliance, so I think relatively we can compare the May and the June bill that we have. So as you can see, there's only a slight increase, which is around 40 pesos only. So I think um, this is a great buy for me. Very good win. I won't consider the July because we were out for 2 weeks last July. That's why it's very low. All right, so I'm just, yeah, pointing out the different programs that we've discussed earlier and then the different buttons. So I'm just showing you that the time changes as you press or you choose the program. And now I'm choosing the 3 hours, the Echo one. I'm attaching the hose, so it's just easy. Just press it, insert the hose, and release, and that's it. So that's it. It really saves time. For me, this is one of the best investments that I have had because I won't have to worry about my dishes, especially that my husband and I are both working in the IT industry. So we are usually on our laptops the whole day. Our hands are tired, so we don't have time to wash the dishes. So this is really very helpful. I also recommend this for other working um, parents or families. And yeah, so far it's been a good experience. So the program is just gonna do its cycle that we discussed earlier. And then fast forward around 2 minutes and 30. I just want to show you how it releases the water. So there you go. So the water is released, and then it's just gonna continue to do the rest of the cycle. So yeah, 2 minutes remaining. Just waiting for everything to finish. And then when it finishes, it's gonna do a lot loud beeping sound. And that's it. You're done. Um, at this point, I don't usually immediately remove the plates because they're usually hot and it hurts my hands. Yeah, I give it a few minutes to cool down. And then since this is the Echo, we expect it to be fully dried up. But sometimes there are still wet parts, but those are minimal and usually they're just on the top of glasses or cups that have like a concave bottom. But for the plates and the spoon and fork, they're usually totally dry, so you can put them directly into your cupboards or cutlery containers. Ta-da! Everything's shining and done, and it makes me happy. So I'm just showing you here. Yeah, that's totally dry. It's shiny. It's clean. I haven't had uh, any negative experience with the dishwasher yet, although there were, I think, twice, 2 times that the debris was not removed from the glass, but it's totally my fault because it was there for a few days. So it was really, the debris really stuck to the glass. So I had to manually wash those glasses. But all in all, I'm very satisfied with the performance. Very satisfied with this product and this buy. I don't regret any second of it. I'm really happy I have more time for other stuff and I don't get tired washing the dishes. Yeah, looking forward to using this more during occasions, and hopefully you learned a thing or two from this video and helped you decide whether to buy one for yourself or not. So if you like this video and you want to see more of these types of videos, just click like and share. And if you haven't yet, click subscribe as well. And thank you for joining me. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye for now.